Was that some editing? He said I have to do editing now too. I said, I don't think so. No, that was part of it.
Little edits wouldn't hurt.
I can't be rude either. Fuck that.
How are you gonna get any work done if you can't be rude?
I don't know. He has some millennials, I think, make a list of what I need to do, and that's not going to happen. Everything he sent me, I already blew that out, so no, that's not happening. So okay. He said he couldn't go back to him because it would piss him off, and they might not help anymore if they found out what I told him. I don't know where they come up with this stuff, but oh well. I was supposed to go watch some stupid program on the radio too, and I don't think so. I don't need to go watch anybody do anything, because I don't care how they do it. I know how I want to do it. I just don't know how to do it. Just like building a motor. I don't know how to do that either. I just do it.
Figure it out.
Yeah, it's just not important. How come this isn't going in there?
Trying to feed it through the bracket?
I'm trying to feed it underneath something, but obviously something is caught.
I would imagine it's the fraying of the hose cover.
I am caught underneath this. Look at that. Yanking it up by the roots. Okay, I'm in the front of that. We should be clear of everything. Okay, so how much free length do you want to keep?
What do I need?
Well, you usually don't want to make it dead short because then there's no room for repair.
Okay.
So,
You're giving me
yeah, nobody can see what's going on anyway. We need a pair of dikes that work. They get put back again? They're over here. So I'd recommend going high and then back down again. So, is this seat permanently mounted? No.
No, just sitting.
Okay, so if we can go somewhere up higher, up to here. You need to get this white wire out of here too. You didn't do that. That white wire is too short. What happened here? Hooked on. There we go. All right, so now we got extra. You get this wire underneath the frame, I'm just going to go a loop over the top of that. Because that's being held up in the frame.
Yep.
So that'll hold the wire up high. Look at the length comes out just right. Look at that. You've got this nice free looking crap on here. Now you want me to clean that mess while I still can, or just leave it?
Yeah, let's clean it.
Oh, okay. Damn. You got to put shrink tubing over it and shrink it down. Someone's got to breathe really hard with hot air on it to make it work. It's cold and crap in here. That's like a lot of work. It's easier just to do this.
Yeah, that's fine too.
I like this method better because it's colder, quicker. I don't have to go hunting for a bunch of crap I don't have, or at least I don't have access to in the next 30 seconds. Take off the part you helped fix. Where's those instructions I told you to read to know how to hook this up?
I didn't read them, and I don't have them.
there up front.
So we don't have any instructions now, and you didn't read them anyway. That's good. Okay, well, I'm pretty sure that one of these wires is the hot wire, and everything else is not quite as hot. Okay, go ahead and pull these nuts off. Here's some sockets. Here's some other ones. Use the inspection probably would help. Why does that keep falling off? It's the right one. Oh, why is it going backwards already? Okay, can you figure out how to do that by yourself without getting in trouble?
Probably.
I'll set up for you. Whew, cold. Pictures, my favorite. All right, dumbed it down for you. One picture, one coil, follow it. See, if you go over here, it's a different one. No, don't do that one. This one. See the difference? What's the difference? You're taking too long.
Yeah.
Dual fire, single fire. 2 leads, 3 leads.
Why are they only showing 2 posts on this?
Dual
side?
fire,
So it's, oh, okay.
Both
It's just a different
fires both at once.
coil
Single
altogether.
fire, one or that one goes back and forth. So to do single fire, you have 2 coils in here. It only looks like 1 coil. There's 2 coils here.
Okay.
One there, one there. Common hot, 2 different coils. This one here is all 1 coil. That's the difference. Over here you have individual coils, see? 4 plug, 2 plug. So I made it simple for you. That one. Okay, so what wires do we need? Call them up.
Violet, green, well, let's see.
I said need, not what we have.
Yeah, right.
What ones we need?
Pink goes to negative.
We need 1.
Blue goes to the other negative. What is this?
I don't know.
2 negatives and a positive.
I don't know what you're talking about.
All right, so pink goes to this bottom.
So these are the cylinders.
Post?
These are called cylinders.
Okay.
So these are 2 that firing. They fire the coil off. So we need those 2.
Okay.
What else do we need?
And then white goes to the positive in the middle.
Power. Okay. And these 2? Cut them off, throw them away?
They're not going to anywhere in this diagram.
Voe switch and tack is where they go to. But these are also the ones I told you can't cut off because do why?
I don't remember.
Programming.
You can't reprogram if you cut off the green and violet.
These are the wires we use for programming.
Okay.
We need. So, put these back. You're not supposed to have noise like that in your live feed either. Oh well, too bad. Okay, this wire here is too short to get to here. We need to get this, we need to grow this a little bit. So where's Walker? We need a grower.
Ba-dum.
Okay, so we need to get this wire a little more length out of it somehow. Okay, there's a wire. Where's it going to? Where's it coming out of? Can't see.
It runs through this.
It's coming out of a harness somewhere.
Yep. Right through there.
Okay, we need to get that where we can get to it though. Man, those screwdrivers around here. Without thinking, no screwdrivers. I can't believe it. I need to work with no screwdrivers. None. Jeez, not a single screwdriver available. So you can't poke stuff if you don't have a screwdriver. You can be able to poke stuff. You can poke it, rearrange it, and make it work where you want to go with it. Go like that. Goes underneath. Okay, so it's definitely not going to work the way it is right now. So what's this wire going to? So you got room up here if you could pull it out.
Let me try.
I doubt if you'll be able to pull this.
Yeah.
Okay, I pulled as much as I can pull. I don't think it moved. But my fingers hurt though.
If we clip this, there's a zip tie right here.
Got more clippers around here? Did somebody get carried away with zip tie and stuff again?
Oh yeah.
No wonder they won't pull. You got zip ties here, you got zip ties there.
They're all over the place.
Okay. They didn't give you that many zip ties though to work with. I can't even get to this zip tie. Oh, I think there's something wrong with it. Oh, that's a defective one. Damn, that went all the way around the whole bike, I guess. Okay, now there's one. Think that'll free up enough to make me pull it now?
Maybe.
Nope, still ain't going. Ah, damn.
Oh. Right here.
What? More zip ties?
Oh yeah.
Jeez. Damn zip ties. Here, hold the light.
Yeah.
Hold the light up high where I can see it.
The tank's blocking. There we go.
Tank's fine. Oops. Ah, still not coming.
Yeah, that moved some.
It did? I can't feel it moving.
Thought I did.
Yeah, it's hurting my fingers, I know that. That ain't moving. Oh, that hurts. Zip tie.
Right here too. That's
I know, I'm trying to keep that one though, but
Oh.
another one down. I think there's another zip tie I can't see buried under here, but I can't see it. See, it's still not pulling, is it? Did it move?
No, it's just pulling this whole post. Whoa.
This must be shrink tubing or something, not zip tie material. Not conduit. Looks like conduit, but maybe it's wrapped around another wire over here. I got it ripped around here. So it might be wrapped around something. It moved that time.
Pulled it off.
I did. You know what that means though? It means it's not going back. So how could I pull it off if it didn't have, it had free length?
I think you pulled it out of the ignition.
Yeah, but it had free length. Oh, it's still connected.
Is it?
Yeah, my thumb hurts though, but it's still connected.
Where?
Connect the switch. There's the wire.
Down here.
There's the wire.
Oh, okay.
Just, instead of being
just
way
wasn't-
up here, now it's
yeah.
way down. But now we got a wire now. We got
Alright.
get some extra length now. So we're a little short now where we need it though. It moved.
Yeah.
It was tight. You hear it go pop. It was tight. I was yanking on it pretty good. Okay, so let's see if we cannot make it back down a little bit. Let's see here. Probably not. Nope. Okay. Just have to pull this wire off the switch to get to it. It's metric. I can't get to that. All right, get some small tools. Be back.